cause that's my baby and I love her. Ooh, I wanna show it to my mother. Ooh, we was just friends turned into lovers. I knew you was so real, baby, I been seen your true colors. Ooh, cause that's my baby, that's my baby.
What is up, everybody? It's your girl Julie, and I'm back at again with another video. You guys, I'm bringing Vontae. If you watched the last video, he thought it was so funny to like light me up with firecrackers. I have to whisper this in the room. So, Karma's a bitch. Okay, I'm doing the same exact thing. He's taking a nap in the same spot. It is Karma. Okay. Stay tuned. I can say, bitch. How you feel, Vontae? Baby. Baby, you alright? You're retarded. Come back with the heat, okay? With the heat. Look at the floor. Okay. Yep. How you feel, baby? Huh? It don't feel too good, huh? Yes, you guys, so let me know who you liked, who did it to best. I think Vontae had the better reaction to it. Right? Right, baby? Make sure to like, subscribe, comment below what you thought. Road to 1K. Any words?
It's all good.
We gotta clean up. Alright guys, love you so much and we will see you later. Bye!
They wish and they wish and they wish and they wish and they wishing on me. Yeah. I've been moving calm, don't start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at